Okay guys, so I tried 4 motorcycles. In that shop have been around, I would say, 50 motorcycles, street bikes around 30, and other motorcycles like super bikes, enduro and choppers, so have been the rest ones. I'm really feeling amazing. I tried a couple, like 4 motorcycles, I drove them. So I took pictures of them. I will send to my friend who is a mechanic of motorcycles, and we're gonna keep, you know, that motorcycle which I'm gonna buy at his garage. So we're gonna fix together, you know, brake systems, carbs, and other things which are necessary, you know, for bikes. And what that, you know, like seller said one. He said, you know, if you gonna travel like near the sea, you're gonna go through the gravel roads, sand near the sea, so you're gonna need, man, enduro motorcycle, that Honda type. But if you're gonna drive just on the cement, to the, for example, just in the street, so you fully are okay with Yamaha. So now I made pictures. I will check, you know, prices, everything, and I'm gonna drive next time here, and also try another ones. Also, I want to try choppers, and yeah, let's do that. I feel amazing. You know, it's when you try 4 motorcycles, 4 different motorcycles, it's like, you know, trying 4 different girls. You know, you feel amazing. You have new emotions, and you feel pretty much really amazing. So now I'm gonna drive to home, and so pretty much that's it. So make sure you buy all my products, and you're gonna become a guy who will drive a girl on a motorcycle and will fuck her near the lake. See you soon.